Hey everyone, I just got my yarn for the May 2016 yarn box, and I only got the yarn because I'm doing a loom knit pattern specifically for this yarn. So there was different things that you did get if you got the whole subscription. This is just a yarn in it, which it is Youth, Y-O-T-H, Big Sister yarn, and it's a DK weight, 4 skeins. They're approximately 50 gram skeins. So you got about 115 yards in each one. So that gives you about 460 yards. Now the fiber contents is 80% superwash merino, 10% cashmere, and 10% nylon. So to feel these, I'm telling you what, these feel very soft. And that nylon, you would be able to make some super, super cute socks with this, because that nylon would make it a little more durable. Okay, now let me see here. Colorways. From darkest to lightest, ginger root, golden kiwi, star fruit, and celery, I think. If that is... I believe those are the colors. But this yarn, it does feel really, really nice. But I did want to give everybody like a little preview of what the yarn looks like before I get started with a pattern for it. And I do have some ideas of what I'm going to use. What loom you will need is your 80 peg 3/8 gauge child hat loom from premiumknittinglooms.com. Of course, there are ways you can use different looms if you'd like, but that's what I'm going to be using. That's all I've got for this. Any questions or comments, you can email me. My email's in the description below, or you can just leave a comment in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.